Hello students, welcome to join Holy Child Academy, Senior Secondary School, Jaunpur. Myself Dinesh Kumar Prajapati, PGT teacher with English. I have a CBSE class 9th poem, The Road Not Taken, first. In this video, I will cover the explanation of the poem stanza by stanza. But before this, I would like to discuss about the poet. The poet is Robert Frost. The full name of Robert Frost is Robert Lee Frost. He was an American poet. He was born in San Francisco, California, in USA. He spent most of his adult life in New England. Robert Frost frequently wrote about settings from rural life with philosophical themes in his poetry. He got many notable and honored Pulitzer Prizes and Congressional Gold Medals through poetry. He had written so many literary works that made him famous in literary words, and his poetry he got a good place in the history of English. Some literary works are here. Birches, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, Home Burial, To the Laodiceans, A Servant to Servants, Spring Pools, Acquainted with the Night, and Directive. These are the literary works. Really, we can say that Robert Frost made a good place in American history. Now come to the point. Firstly, read the poem. Two road diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood and looked down as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other, just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that, the passing there had warned them really about the shame. And both that morning equally lay. In leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how the way leads to way, I doubted it I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Now we will cover the explanation of the poem. First stanza. Two roads diverged in a yellow, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. First of all, hard words like diverged. Diverged means separated. Yellowwood refers to the forest leaves that turned into yellow due to autumn season. And one more hard word, that is undergrowth. Undergrowth means bushes, dense forest, or forest you can say. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Once the poet was standing in a forest where two roads separated in different directions during autumn season. And sorry I could not travel both. I refers to poet. I refers to poet. And the poet wanted to choose one way to walk, but he regretted that the fact was not in favor of the man, because he could not walk on both roads. He wanted to walk on one road and be one traveler, and he wanted to be one traveler for that way or path. Long I stood means for it. He stood for a long time, for thinking, because he was confused where to go, which way to select, and looked down one as far as I could. And after some times, he looked down for a long time to one way as far as it was possible, to where it went in the undergrowth. He looked for a long time up to the point where the road disappeared in the forest. It means we can say that the poet was totally confused to select the way of life in particularly. And in this poem, one more point, there is rhyming scheme. Would, stood, and could are similar in pronunciation, so it has the rhyming scheme a, and both and undergrowth similar to each other, so its rhyming scheme is b b. Total rhyming scheme of this paragraph is AB, AA, and B. Now second stanza. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted beer, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. In the second stanza, the poet thinks that he was unable to choose the way that was right, so then took the other as just as same. He saw that the condition of both road are same, both conditions are fair in the same way, and having perhaps the better claim. Claim means right, and both road has better rights to walk for the travelers, because it was grassy means this road was also full of grasses and wanted beer and less traveled by travelers. Though as far as the passing there, though it is the matter of passing through the forest using the way, had warned them really about the same. Had warned means equally walked them refers to both roads had used by travelers in the same condition means really the condition of the road was same, the full of grasses, and really walked on the both means in the second stanza also we can say that he select one way that was similar to others. One more points, the rhyming scheme of this stanza is also same, fair, where, and there means that refers to equal, so a, and total rhyme scheme we can say a b, we can the same